Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of TheWalk&Talk, episode 81. Yeah, here we are, back with another episode. So, without further ado, let's get to it. You guys are going to love this. You've probably already read the title of this video, and I am stoked about this one. I've been wanting to get one of these in my hands for quite a while. Not very many of them out there, so it's gonna be a good day today. Open her up here. Gonna be a sweetie pie, I do believe. Wrapped open with the lid down here. Oh yes, that's all we have. This is an eBay score. Check this out. Know that place, don't you? The world's largest knife shop. And guess what? It is within 25 minutes of where I'm standing at right now. Yep, Smokey Mountain Knife Works. Right in my backyard, basically. 25 minutes from where I'm standing. There we are. Number 78. 2017 production. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Let's get this open and check it out. You see we got the Stag 78 out here, and we got the golden brown jig here, one of my top favorite GEC knives right there. Love this knife. That was actually probably my first introduction to like bone handle GEC knives right here. And I just bought it on a whim. I didn't know what I was buying. I didn't know I was going to be buying one of my favorites. Love these 78s. Let's open her up. Let's scope her out. Make sure nothing's wrong with her here. I believe everything's out. There she is. Already open. And it's starting to rain. That's a cool tube right there too. I like that tube. The way they done that. There she is, already opened out the wax paper there. What a beauty. Look at that. That is sweet. Chestnut peach seed. Smokey Mountain Knife Works SFO. It's a little sharp right there. Centering is perfect there. Let's take a look around her before we open her up. Nice coloring there. Those transitions feel great too. This is very close to the golden brown jig bone there. Very close. Let's open her up. Wonderful. Look at that. Man, that is sweet. Look at that. Felt great. Nice and snappy. That's about a 7. Stone cold 7 there. Very nice. Let me wipe her off. Got some oil on her. Remember guys, wiping your blades off here. Go with the grain. We got the brushed finish there, so go with that brushed direction there. Or otherwise, if you have a little piece of dirt in there or whatever, you'll make a little scratch in there. Check that out. That is a sweetie pie. I believe there's only 100 of these made. I believe I read somewhere that there's only 100 of these made. And I tell you, I wish this was mine, but it's not. That's a sweet knife right there. There she is again compared to the golden brown jig. There's the stag. There's the difference between a double blade and a single blade. Just for kicks here, we'll open this one up here. Had to go dig my 78s out. Couldn't find my stag there for a minute. Very sweet there. I love these 78s, as I've already told you. Take a drink every time I say sweet, or I love 78s. Just a beauty. I love how they done that jigging there, all in one direction. See, you got the cross pattern in the golden brown jig there. All one direction there. That just looks sweet. Transitions, like I said, feel great. And if you're new to GEC knives, just popping in on this video, the blades are 1095 carbon. That's the same for all of these 78s here. Just about all GEC knives. There's a few stainless, but got nickel silver on the bolsters. You can really get that nice polish on that. These need a little polish on them. They're a little fuzzy. They'll polish up nice. I love that shield right there too. Brass liners. Very nice. There's your number on the tang there. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. This is my hometown, my home team, SFO here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tell you, I was stoked about this one. Just a beauty. I love those slip joints. I love those spear points. That's a nice fat one there. We'll see. We'll compare it. We got a little time here. Compare it to the 85 here I got sitting out here. There's the 85 with a big fat spear on it. African blackwood. She's a fatty. Very nice. That's going to wrap this one up, guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me for a few minutes and taking a look at this beautiful specimen here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess we'll catch you on the next one, guys. So keep an eye out for some more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly is over and out of here. Peace. Sweet.